Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be showing you everything that's included in your Paper Insider's mystery box number 13. This is currently the box you'll receive if you subscribe. Your Paper Insider has a fun mystery box subscription. You'll receive 4 boxes every year. The only way to receive this box is to sign up and subscribe. The subscription costs include shipping, but it is only available in the United States. If there are leftover boxes after the quarter, they will offer them individually without a subscription. And they do have several previous boxes available, so if you want to check them out, I will have links in the description box below. The subscription box includes a cheat sheet. On one side, it gives a little more detail on several of the paper and cardstock that's included. On the other side, it lists all the different papers, the names, and the weight of the papers. When you subscribe to Box 13, there is a fun bonus freebie, a little pack of origami paper. There are 8 sheets in the pack, and they have this beautiful iridescent finish. I love the bright, cheerful colors, and each sheet has this fun diagonal stripe design, and it's almost like it's embossed. There's a little bit of a texture feel to it. And if you haven't heard the news yet, I joined Your Paper Insider's very first design team. Super excited, so you can expect to see a few more videos featuring their beautiful papers. Now moving on to the papers included in Box 13, and please forgive me if I pronounce these wrong. These are papers from around the world. So first up is this gorgeous light blue, it's almost like a handmade paper. It's called Light Blue Mizutama Rayon. Next up is Silver Holographic Micro Mosaic. The mystery boxes always include lots of sparkle and shine. Then we have Amazon Blue Lesabo cardstock. Next is Light Blue Non-Shed Glitter. And you can purchase a rainbow glitter pack from Your Paper Insider. I believe there were 24 colors included in the pack. Then we have Blue Raspberry Pop Tone French. And this one's really pretty. Light Blue Living Wave Gamond Vibe. It has beautiful shimmery finish with a fun wave pattern. Next up is Eucalyptus Curious Metallics. And this also has a lovely pearlescent shimmery finish. I'm trying to show the front and back of each sheet since sometimes it doesn't have the same design on the back side. Here's a gorgeous floral design. It's called Black and Color Florals Yuzenshi. It's basically like a fancy pattern paper with gold accents. Then we have Holiday Green Lesebo colors. This beautiful bright green Key Lime Color Mates cardstock. Next is this fun glossy green called Kelly Green Cadillac. We have a sheet of vellum. This is green leaf vellum. I'm grabbing a piece of white so you can see the true green color. Next is another sheet with that shimmery finish. This is Poison Ivy Curious Metallics. And in Box 13, every sheet other than the origami paper is 8.5 by 11 inches in size. Here's another beautiful shimmer. This is Canary Yellow Shimmer cardstock. Then we have Pumpkin Color Mates cardstock. Love this vibrant orange color. This next sheet is another handmade looking paper. It's Marigold Tai Un Ryu. Some of the previous boxes have included this type of paper, just in a different color. Next is a sheet of ultra white smooth cardstock, and this is a 100-pound cover weight, and you can purchase this individually in a pack from Your Paper Insider. This next is one of my favorites. It's Bright Gold Gloss Glitter. It has the fun look of glitter and gloss together. You can see how shiny it is. Next up is a pretty pink. This is baby pink cardstock. It's a 60-pound cover weight. Then we have Red Wagon Miri Sparkle. It has a fun, subtle, glittery look on one side, but this is another no shed glitter, so it won't make a mess. Then we have Sicily Color Wheel Spellbinders. This is a 100-pound cardstock. There's another sheet of vellum. This is White Fine Lines Vellum. I know it's really hard to see on the video, but there are horizontal stripes across the vellum sheet. Next up is Holiday Red Liseppo Colors. Love this really bright red color. Then we have Red Brushed Metal Double-Sided. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it's one of the 3 designs on the other side of the cheat sheet that gives a little more information. I forgot to mention the other 2. Hopefully you'll be able to see the design on this next sheet. It's White Holographic Confetti Junior. And the final sheet that's in box 13 is Light Gray Savoy Cotton. So there are all the beautiful and unique designs included in Your Paper Insiders box 13, plus the Aurora Origami gift pack. If you subscribe right now to Your Paper Insiders mystery box, box 13 is the box you'll receive. There are always limited quantities. The only way to guarantee receiving a box is to sign up and subscribe. And if you are interested, I do have links in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing a video featuring some papers from box 13. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.